Greetings YouTube, this is MicMacMo68 with a new parcel just arrived, so I'll open this before your very eyes. Now this is something that I bought used from Spock. As you probably know, you look for Swiss Army knives on eBay and you can't find them in the UK. Amazon you can, but Gumtree you can't either. But Spock was surprised to see you can buy second-hand items. So here we go. So this is sold as, it's second hand, but it's sold as unused, and this is an Explorer in red. There we go. So just inspecting it in the light, yeah, it's pristine, no scratches on the scales. The gentleman even included the mini screwdriver for me to sit on the corkscrew, so that's a bonus. Parcel hook, and get my nail in there. I think in there somewhere is the awl with the sewing eye. Now then, on top, small blade, large blade. Nice, yeah, clearly unused. Full marks for the lad. At the front we've got the openers with the 90-degree stop, flathead screwdriver blade, bottle opener, and the wire bender or wire trimmer, can opener with a small, I think it's 3mm screwdriver head blade that will do a Phillips. It will undo a Phillips. Now then, this is what makes the Explorer slightly different. Get my nail underneath here. It has an inline dedicated Phillips, a 3D Phillips head, which also has the 45-degree lock, the 90-degree lock, sorry, to give you some wrenching torque. Now on this knife also is a magnifying glass. There you go, Victorinox. And what else? I'm missing something here. If I can get my nail in here. There you go, scissors. Brilliant, Victorinox quality. Also comes with the toothpick and the tweezers, the scale tools. There you go. Brilliant. So yeah, get yourselves off to Spock for a second-hand bargain. Very highly recommended. And thanks, Dean, for this. Excellent. Ciao for now.